Hi friends, now I will explain about projections in MongoDB. In MongoDB projection meaning is selecting only necessary data rather than selecting whole data from the document. Actually, in a document, n number of keys are there, n number of fields are there, but I don't want all the fields. I want to display only two fields only. In ODBMS, how we will retrieve the data? Select will specify the fields from table name. Here, select name and salary from employees table in ODBMS. But in MongoDB, db.employees.find query and projection. First column is query and projection. Whatever the fields you wanted to display, you have to specify it. That's it. We'll see examples. You will get it. This is for displaying all the fields. But I don't need all the fields. I want only name only. How? I want name. You just use it. One. Syntax error. Sorry, some error is there. Okay, sorry. We have to use it in brackets. So it displays the name field only. But I don't want underscore ID also. So you just specify underscore ID is 0 for disabling the underscore ID. Okay, that's it. I want name only, but it displays the. It is not displaying other documents, but by default it is displaying object ID also. I don't want the ID also. So this is the way we'll use the projections in MongoDB. So in ODBMS it is very easy, it is very flexible. Whichever the fields is required, then you will specify. But here also we are specifying name, but actually we are specifying ID column I don't want. Then we have to specify manually. Okay. Actually, I will show you one more example also in projections. I don't want ID field. I want all remaining fields. then we'll use simply that's it. This is very useful in some conditions. We just export it. If you export this, you cannot import. Why? Because objects IDs are same. So you have to remove the object IDs, then you can able to import same values. But here object ID is not there, then you just export it and you can able to import it. That's it. I'll show you in export and import concept. So during that session, I will show this example also, how to export, how to use the projections during that time to disable the object ID via during exporting. Okay, that's all to use the projections. But projections, whichever the fields you needed, you just uh, you just extract it. So that is the use of extracting. Even in RDBMS also we will use whenever we need the fields, then we'll look at it. Otherwise we'll not use it. Otherwise I don't need to see all the fields. So let's select star from. We'll use some cases we'll specify the fields the same way here also projections. Okay, that's all for the projections in MongoDB. Please subscribe, share. Thank you very much for watching my videos.